Provided a rest sick of dating and feeling like you are getting in a slump? Then, stop. Take a break from the dating world, revitalize yourself, alter your surroundings, and return re-energized and prepared to go. The authentic male redefines 21st century masculinity and addresses topics other men do not dare to speak about. Life purpose, feelings, worries, dreams, hopes, and love. Leave the chains of society behind and attempt to live your life as a new, genuine male. There are masses of men out there all wanting to make their mark in the dating scene. There is no scarcity of men out there all desiring to make their mark in the dating scene. All wanting to find that special somebody they can go out for drinks with on a Saturday, and curl up with Uber, consumes, and Netflix on a Sunday. But it's real. So, what's the problem? Males do not tend to request for help. Heck, lots of men won't even request for instructions when lost. However, here's the great news. As the world around us modifications, the dating scene modifications, the way you meet a partner changes. So let's assist you enhance your video game, and get you that snuggly love you're after. There are ideas out there that will work marvels for one man but do definitely nothing for the other. So make certain that the advice makes good sense to you and aligns your character. There's no point trying to do things that just don't compare with who you are. After all, your date will understand. As there's a lot info out there on dating, simply a couple of clicks away, it's simple to be led astray. Probably it's some rushed article about a collection of thoughts that does not consider the female viewpoint and therefore is already established for failure. Fortunate for you, you have actually found the ideal location. After some heavy research study and a boatload of feminine contributions, I have actually put together a collection of vital dating suggestions guys need to use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.